Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the rear MOLLE panel on my buddy Josh's very clean access cab. Let's get this thing started. So here we are at the driver's side rear seat. First, we'll peel back the flooring on both sides, and we'll start with this outer side and undo the two 12mm bolts. Here's the inner side. I'll peel that back. It's just one bolt. There we go. This whole rear seat should just come right up and off. So now we could peel back these cover panels here. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to pull it off. There we go. That's one, and that's two. So now we have full exposure to this back panel, and all it is held down by plastic clips, and we just peel it up and off. So we'll stop with the top corners, and it just pulls right out. There it is. We'll just have to finagle those lower brackets off of those holes. I'll hand off to Josh. Thank you, Josh. So if you guys do have these plastic clips, feel free to pull them out. There we go. So now we got the headrest here, and let's undo these four 12mm bolts. And we'll just do the same thing on the other side. So to secure the corners of that rear MOLLE panel, guys, we'll start here with the driver's side. We are going to need to use these lower brackets. This long one will go on this third metal bracket like this. So 1, 2, 3. And then this short one will go on this outer side. Now to assemble it, we are going to be using this screw. It goes inside like that. Then we're going to be taking this nut and then push it up on the other side just like that. For this inner bracket, we are going to be using the same flange nut. We're going to stick it right behind the metal bracket itself. Then we take our flathead screwdriver and just fasten up these two nuts and bolts together. We don't want to tighten down too much just yet. So just enough where we can make a little bit of tiny adjustments. And since that nut is serrated, it will actually just grab the back side of this bracket. And for this one, we'll do the same thing. Put the screw in, and we'll put the one nut, push it in from the back, just like that. And then we'll take our other nut, hold it from the back just like that, and tighten our screw right on that metal bracket. Again, just enough where we can make some fine adjustments. Now at this point, what we're going to do is test fit the MOLLE panel, make sure all these holes are lined up, and we can mount two of the bolts on the middle section here, one on each side, just to lightly hold everything together. And here is one of those corner brackets. We'll just make sure we adjust it so that it's in the same spot as one of these slots, because we are going to be throwing another screw on top of it. This one's good, so we don't need to do any more adjustments on this one. This is the inner side. As you can see, it's a little tall, so just push it down until the hole lines up with that slot. Now that we have those holes on the brackets lined up, let's pull this whole thing back out. Now that we got these placed the way we want them, we'll just tighten these screws all the way down. Good. Now we can mount that MOLLE panel right on there. Start with these upper holes. Or these middle holes here. Now before we fully tighten these 5 screws, we can put in these lower screws that hold down that bottom 2 corners. That one right there. Now let's tighten out these 3 10mm bolts. And then we could tighten down these 2 12mm bolts up top. Now I'm tightening it down with a ratchet. Again, similar thing, we're going to install these lower corner brackets. Stick the nut in the back of this one. Stick the bolt into the top. Just like that. We'll take our flange nut, hold it from the back, take our bracket, and then just screw in from the front to secure that in place. Same thing on this side. I'll just angle it like that. Now we can take a MOLLE panel and then test fit it on there. Take our 2 bolts and just screw them in just enough so that holds it in place. Now we'll make those final adjustments on those corner brackets. And I like that placement. We'll pull it back out. We can get back into those lower brackets and tighten them down completely, making sure we don't screw up the placement here. Good. Now we can take a MOLLE panel, do our final placement. Those 2 middle bolts again. And screw in these lower bolts. And now we just fasten down these last 4 bolts. These 2 lower bolts are 10mm bolts. These 2 upper bolts are 12mm bolts. And I'm just going to tighten them down by hand. So that pretty much finishes up all of the work, guys. I have to say, this thing looks amazing. Let's hit this with some B-roll.